Hi children, today we will learn word problems based on multiplication. So multiplication we have already learned in the previous class. So today we will do word problems. For the word problems, we have to understand one rule, that is R, F, D, S, C. Right. So what these letters indicates, R stand for reading. So to do the word problems, firstly you have to read the given word problem carefully. Then after it we have to find the solution. F is indicating that you have to find the solution from the word problem. And after it, D stand for decide, that you have to decide which operator you have to use in to solve the given problem. Then S stand for solve, then we will solve the problem. Then after it we will check. C stand for checking, then after it we will check. Right. So you have to follow this code RFDSC. So now let's start the word problem based on multiplication. So first question is, in a factory it is 23,250 pens are made daily. Because we have to read the statement first, so we will follow our code, that is read. Now how many pens will be made 21 working days? Now we have to find the solution, then we will decide, then we will solve and check. So first, what the statement is saying, in a factory 23,250 pens are made daily. It means that in a factory they are in a one day they are making 23,250 pens. And how many pens will be made 21 working days? It means that how many pens they can make in 21 days. So it means you have to multiply these two numbers together so that you can find the number of pens made in 21 days. So how you will write the statements from the question? So first you have to pick the words from these statements. You have to find the how many pens. It means you have to find the number of pens made in 21 working days. So we will write number of pens made in one day. And how many pens they are making in one day? It is 23,250. So we will write in front of this statement. Then what we have to write the next statement, what you have to find? Number of pens made in 21 days. So in 21 days we have to multiply. So we will multiply the given number by 21. And after it we will arrange in a vertical column and using the multiplication symbol. And after it we will multiply the numbers together, and then you will find the solution, that is the number of pens that it is making in 21 days. So this will be 4,88,250 pens they are making in 21 days. Now the same question, it is question 5. The cost of a computer is 75,750 and find the cost of 110 such computers. So it is based on the first question. So what you have to do, the cost of the one computer has been given to you and you have to find the cost of 110 computers. So in this case also we have to multiply these two numbers together. Now read the next question. Question 6. There are 240 pages in a book. Find the total number of pages in such 3,268 books. So in a one book there are 240 pages. And can you find the total number of pages in 3,268? To find the number of pages, many things we are finding here, so we need to multiply. So we will multiply these two numbers, because I told you on a very first day, multi means many. So here you found number of pages, it means many pages you are finding, so we will multiply. That these two questions you have to do it yourself, and it is based on the first one. Now this question is based on HOTS. HOTS stands for high order thinking skills. So we have to do this question, and it is very important question. So the question is, find the product of the smallest number formed by using the digit 670 and the greatest 3-digit number, each digit to be used only once. Right, we have already learned that how to form the smallest number, how to form the greatest number. But firstly, you have to understand, you have to read the question carefully. Find the product of. It means we have to find the product, means you have to multiply product of what? The smallest number formed by using these 3 digits only. So it means that you have to multiply the smallest number formed. So you have to make the smallest number by using 670. So we will make a smallest number. And the greatest 3-digit number. So children, here what we will see, we have to write the greatest 999. Now children, please carefully understand the formed. They are saying that you have to form the smallest number only, not a greatest the greatest 3-digit number, not to form the greatest 3-digit number. Only you have to form the smallest 3-digit. But you have to use this digit only once. Only one time you have to use. Here we will not form the greatest 3-digit number, because you have to write only the greatest 3-digit number. We will form only the smallest number. So you have to multiply the smallest number formed by using smallest number formed. You will say that 0, then 6, and then 7. So if you will write the number like this, so this will be 2-digit number. It will not be 3-digit, because if the 0 will comes on the left of the number, then it doesn't have a value. Only 67. We will say that 67 is that number. So it will be a 2-digit number. So we have to make a 3-digit. So you have to write the smallest number in this form. First you have to write the 6-digit, then you have to write 0, then 7. Then after it, you have to write the greatest number, not to form. So we will write the greatest 3-digit number, it is 999. And then you have to find the product. Product means you have to multiply these two numbers together, then you will get the result. Now children, let's do the next question. So the next question is, the cost of one chair is 1,475. And you have to find the cost of 675 such chairs, and you need to find more number of chairs. Then we will multiply, because the cost of one chair is given to you and you have to find for many things. For many things we have to multiply. This question you have to do it yourself. Now the next question is also based on HOTS. HOT is saying that high order thinking skills. Now this question is having a 3 steps. First we will read the question. Subtract the product of 23,357 and 84 from the greatest number formed by units 4.8, each digit used only once.
So I'm going to highlight this
question.
This is the product of 23,357 and 84. So our first step is that you have to find the product of these two numbers, right? So we will find the product of these two numbers. Product means you have to multiply. All right, now let's go ahead.
Means you have
from the greatest, because in the subtraction you always learn that you have to subtract the smaller number from
the greatest. In the subtraction you
the smaller number, so you have to subtract it from the greater number. Now I'm going to putting in a bracket the next line. What you have to find it next. The greatest number formed by using the digits 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8. So you have to make a big
now I'm going to
with the help of these
putting in a
digits,
bracket
but you have to use it only once. Now let's make
what
a
you have
greatest
to
number
find it
first,
next.
then we will subtract the number, right?
Greatest number
So the step 2
by
is you have to
using
make the greatest number formed by using the digits, and we have to the greater number out of these digits are 8 is a bigger number, so first we will write 8 so that it will apply
greatest number first,
more
then
bit.
we will subtract the
Then
number.
after it you have to
So
arrange
to
the number in descending order, so 8 will be a bigger
by
number, then after it we will write
and we
6,
have to the greater
then
number out
5,
of these three
then 4,
digits is the
then
first we
3,
will write so that
then
it
2.
will occupy
Here we will make a greatest number.
that so now we will sub numbers the and the greatest number form.